Yes, sir. Hey, man. Say, man. Y'all already know. Gotta do it with the left hand. Woohoo. Rhyming Squad. Hey, man, what's going on, my YouTubers and my YouTube betters, man? I'm on my way to this little car little show or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Called Clean Fitment. I was gonna get my car washed, but once again, man, if y'all seen my one last video when I went to Cars and Coffee on the last one, like it's gonna rain, man. It's like it's gonna rain. But so I'm gonna wait. Plus this weekend, this weekend I'm gonna be headed to Florida. You know what I'm saying? For my lady's birthday. Man, y'all can go ahead and shout out a happy early birthday to her. Matter of fact, this might be dropping around her birthday. Not really sure. Speaking of birthdays, today is my mama's birthday. Hey, you know what I'm saying, man? Such a blessing, man. I ain't even scared to tell you how old she is, when she is 81. You know what I'm saying? And still alive, still kicking it, of course. You know what I'm saying? Strong, yo. Strong black woman, you feel me? On God. But she showed me the true definition of grinding, yo. You know what I'm saying? And when I say that, back in like 89, I want to say that it was 1989. Y'all can Google it, you know what I'm saying, and scope it out. Hurricane Hugo came up through. You know what I'm saying? And she went to work. That's what I'm trying to man, people can't drive. But she went to work, yo, right in the middle of the hurricane. Like didn't care, man, you know what I'm saying? And with that being shown, man, she showed me the true definition of you know, family first. You know what I'm saying? By all means, get the money. You feel me? But nevertheless, though, I'm on my beat the 18 wheelers is going on here. But nevertheless, though, I'm on my way to the Clean Fitment, man. So that's a nice Charger right there. Like it might be a Hellcat. It's so nice. So without further ado, man, I cut the camera back on, man, when I get there, man. Yes, Mooresville Police Department, boy. Gotta cut the muffler down there a little bit. God, dog motorcycle. Boy, had a nice helmet on though. Speaking of helmet, I need to get me a helmet, yo. I need me a helmet. I gotta get me one, man, so I can, when I get back out there on the track, I'll be right. Won't have to worry about nothing except getting down through there. Yes, I need to. I want to get me a tune, man. I want to get me a tune on my baby. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, you know, I already got the K&N. You know what I'm saying? The air intake. I need to get that tune now, so I can get down through there for real, for real. You heard me? On God. Let's get to this car show though. Let's get it. Let's go. Gang, gang. hit all so you can get all my notifications. Squad. Gang, gang. Yeah, so. Hey, yo, shout out to the cameraman. Hey, that's the car I was telling y'all about not too long ago. I said it looked like it might be a Hellcat, but it's a little scatty though. Notice I said a little scatty. He cutting up back there though. Shout out to him though, man. He got that thing clean. I like the eyes in the front. Yes, sir. Super clean. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So as y'all see, man, I just pulled up, man, out here at the Clean Fitment. You know what I'm saying? Car show, car meet, however you want to say it. Hey man, as y'all here got music in the background, so you know I already know how I'm about to do it. Let's go ahead and start that thing up with this music, man. Music and cars, baby. Let's start it up, man. Let's get it. Let's go. Yes, sir. Thumbnail. Y'all seen those before right there. Those two was on my last vlog. Well, not my last vlog, but last Cars and Coffee vlog. Yes, sir. Look at my baby. Hey, turn the camera around. Hey, man. Say, man. Yes, sir. Hey, look here, man. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share, man. I'm blowing up all 2021 and all 2022. You feel me? Yes, sir. Why do I feel like I'm yelling? I don't know, but it's time for me to go. 12 hours off work, gotta go back to work. Yes, sir.